So here we are with a new and I think short video about the is formulas. And these formulas, they ask if something is, so to say. So for example, is error checks if a cell value is an error. Is formula checks if a cell contains a formula and not only text or numbers. Is even checks if a number is even. Is odd checks if a number is odd. Is text checks if a value is a text. Is non-text checks if a cell contains no text. Is number checks if if a value is a number. Is blank asks if a cell is empty. And all those is formulas or functions, they return true and false. For example, is even 2, 2 is an even number, will return true. And is number for the letters ESB return false because ESB is a text and not a number. Yeah, let's check how those formulas works in Excel. So is formula, no, not is formula, is error, or is error for an A returns true because there is an error inside. Is formula of this returns true because here's a formula inside. Is even returns true because this 8 is an even number. Is odd returns false because 8 is an even number. Is text returns false because there is a number and not a text inside, or a formula inside. Is non-text returns then true. Is number should also return true. And is empty returns false. Is blank is the formula, sorry. Returns false because this cell isn't blank. So with this, sorry, yeah, this formula is empty, it's blank, sorry for my mistake. So also there is the AND formula. I've told you this before. If you want to make the true false values to numbers, so 0 and 1, normally Excel will calculate automatically with them. For example, you see here there's a true and false value here, and if you multiply the true false value with a number, it will automatically turn into 1 and 0. But however, it works not every time that way, and sometimes you will also want to have 0 and 1 displayed and not true and false values. Then there are 3 ways. You could either put a minus minus before the formula, multiply this formula with 1, or use the AND function and enclose the formula then. So for example, here you could make this true, or a 1 with the use of the AND formula. And if it's false, it will be 0. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next video.